I would like to tell the clubs, the president, secretary and the committee members not to fall prey to tall promises which have been given by my opponent. As Mr. Alemao knew that he needed money for the I-League, he told all the MLAs to talk in the assembly to support him to get the 3 crores. But after getting the 3 crores, he never thought of any small clubs to give them any help. I've heard of late he is being distributing envelopes too. So let us not mix politics into sports. There are 160 clubs who will be coming to vote for the elections. I got to understand their problems and difficulties. The main difficulty is the football grounds which have been developed and they don't get a chance to play there. My priority will be to give these grounds to the villages where SEG and all have developed it. I would like to talk to the government and give them permission to play on these grounds. Second, as you know, inter-village is our main backbone for the football to come up in Goa. For inter-village, our club, who run the club, they need some incentives. With the help of the government, I will try my best to give more incentives to the clubs. I want to have a technical committee which will comprise of all international players like Brahmanan, Derek, Savio, Marian, Nicholas, and all these like-minded footballers whom we have of Esther years who have really done Goa proud and India too. I would like to have them with me to gain knowledge from their side.